All right, watch out, side of the vehicle, same thing, side of the vehicle, good adaption, amazing. Did what he had to do. That's all it is an adaption at that point. All right, so right away you see the side of the vehicle. The side of the vehicle is gonna let you know that there is gonna possibly be a path of travel violation. I keep bringing up planning your ride. Why do I keep bringing that up? It's because it's a great acronym. Is it an acronym? I don't know if it is. It, I'm thinking on my fly. Anyways, Zeno, welcome to the crew, baby. Woo, P. Okay, position yourself for safety. Okay, move yourself into different lane positions consistently to avoid hazards. And when I say avoid, I mean adapt to those hazards. Because one's if it's a pothole. Okay, so you move over there. If the pothole's here, you move here. Potholes here, you move here. You're adapting to hazards. You're not swerving. You're not doing those things. You're just adapting to them. Okay, so the L is located, so you have to see it first. So position yourself for safety. Locate those hazards because you're looking, right? You're seeing, you're using your brain also, you're adapting to them. But if something just comes out at you, you have to negotiate a threat. Hazards and threats are a little bit different, okay? So if somebody came out, you have to swerve. So negotiating by swerving, by emergency braking, by trail braking, and then braking, straightening it up, all these different things. So we're gonna be moving here. And as soon as I see the side of the vehicle, I'm going to be in orange stage, okay? I'm going to be in orange stage, okay? That side of the vehicle right there. Now, we have lane position 1, 2, and 3. We're already positioned for safety right here, so all we have to do is go into the next lane if needed, and that's exactly what happens. Instead of being over here in lane position 3 and barely seeing this vehicle, and we had to swerve super far to get over here, I'd rather be where he's at and just go a little bit. You see what I mean? Okay, feet per second, all these different things. A simple little itty bitty movement is better than going crazy. Simon the Squid, yeah. So already positioned for safety, adapted, now navigated a little bit, so he had to swerve a little bit more. Mindstormer, how you doing? Had to go a little bit more, and that's it. Great job, great job. But here's the thing, you're probably watching this on your phone, so grab yourself a rock form case. I have a little pop socket adapter. I absolutely love it. This is a magnet right here. It keeps your phone nice and secure, a lot better than some of the other competitors. Anyways, they sponsor this channel, so make sure you check them out. Links in the description. Automatic discount when you click that link. I'll see you guys around.